Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to get transcripts or text from YouTube videos. Let's go to YouTube and choose, well, a channel. Yeah, I'll pick my own channel for example. There. Now scroll down and you'll see a button that says Show Transcript. Click it. Here's our text. Click this button to select time markers. And here are all our subtitles. You can also click here to see where these words appear in the video. That's all, folks. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.